Hi children, in the past class we learnt about the family kinds and about parents. Now in the new lesson, today we are going to start a new lesson. We serve our parents. We serve our parents means how we are helping our parents. Serve meaning is how we are helping our parents. First of all, we'll see the first picture. Here, mom and their daughter both are cooking in a kitchen. In the kitchen, you can find kitchen items, groceries, boxes, and mom is cooking a dal, and her daughter is helping her by passing utensils. And you can find gas stove also. I think in everybody's home there will be a kitchen and a gas stove and groceries boxes also set it in a shelves. Parents looks after us in all aspects. They allocate us some jobs to practice. We assist them and learn many works. Assist means while they are doing work, we will help them. That is assistance. In every family we find parents. Parents are all very fond of their families and their kids, especially their son or daughter. In the second picture we'll see, sorry, I missed one line. We assist our mother while cooking in kitchen. While mama is cooking in kitchen, we should help them by passing them vegetables from fridge, utensils from shelves. In the second picture we can see two boys. One boy is handling books and another boy is cleaning the table. We bring groceries from nearest shops. Groceries means cooking items. Cooking items like rice, dal and all. We carry bags while with them in market. With them means while we are with our parents in the market, we should carry bags. Small bags, not heavy bags. We clean our rooms by sweeping. We keep the home neat. If everybody at home are helpful in all the course of the works, like helping in cleaning means we will sweep the rooms, we will clean the shelves with the dry cloth. If we share the work, the love also increases and we can learn something from our parents by assisting them. See, here in the last picture we can see father and his son are planting trees. I think in everybody's home you will be having a small garden, a rose plant or any show plants. We water the plants in our lawns. We set clothes in almaras. We serve our parents at our best. Serving parents is serving God. If we are praying God, no, like that only. If we are helping our parents, it is like serving the God, helping the God. Even God also take care of us like our parents only. So parents are very important in any family. Any family you see, parents places a main role. Along with them, kids are also very important. If kids are there at home, there will be a good entertainment and good good things will be learnt at family from family members only. Okay, now we will see the questions. regarding this lesson. Answer the following below. Who do you assist in kitchen? Kitchen, who to whom we are going to help? Mother. What do you do for cleaning rooms? If you want to clean rooms, we should sweep and we should wipe. And serve parents is serving whom? Now only I told in the lesson, serving parents is equal to the serving God. Answer is God. Why do parents allocate you some jobs? Why? Because we should by practicing or doing works, we will get perfect in that works, like cleaning the table, setting the almaras, setting the clothes in almara.